Okay, guys, so we just have a 30,000 candle volume, and we see the market is trying to push higher. Okay, so we have a tight stop here. This is a big trade, and the matter is that the market is really not moving. We just have one candle in the morning, but the market really was awful. Right now we have a 30,000 candle volume, so market can hopefully move a little bit to the upside. It's a Friday. It's not much to do. We are not having correlation. We are not having a volume expansion, so it's very difficult to trade right now. The market has been wiping the bars back and forth, and if you really want to trade a day like this, it's you just wait for the pullback. When the market goes very low, you just push the the order. Okay, so when you see the a high volume movement, you just let the order go. Okay, so we have a monetary fund sessions. So these days have been really bad. There's nothing to do right now, and I'm just pushing this order, see if it gets filled. Remember, always look for a big volume candle. Else, do not
Target
trade.
filled.
Do not trade because you're gonna get at the mercy of the traders, high frequency traders. You always need to look for a big candle. But there's a lot of traders. Okay, so a 30,000 candle, what does it mean? It means that there's a lot of traders in that bar. They are trading. There's a herd. That's a lot of. It's like a full building. Okay, you see people coming back and forth. That's what it means. That's what you need to trade. Don't trade a 10,000 volume candle because it will not work. So that way you're gonna get whipped out and stopped out. Okay, so you see these candles here, they're manipulated. So you know it won't work. It's just gonna stop you out. Okay, the Nasdaq is trying to pull higher.
Target.
There it goes.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go, guys. Out for the day. Okay, so just explaining here, recapping, why did I take this trade with that volume? I don't want to be in the market all day long, so I waited for the 30,000 candle. You see the past candles, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume. Why would you trade these candles? You see these candles, they're gonna be manipulated back and forth. Okay, so it will stop you out. It will just put you to the test. So that way you will be at their mercy. They will kill you. So you wait for a big candle. It all depends what type of candle do you want to use. If you want a 50,000 candle, 40,000 candle, it all depends. It all depends. What do you want to trade? So this is part of my recipe for trading. This is what I look for, and based on that, I go to the market. Okay, so I know that there's a lot of traders here. Market is in harmony to the upside. We see lots of buying. Nasdaq is already up. It already make a higher low. So you see the imbalance here. It always is common sense sometimes. Okay, you just need to see what to look for. Okay, so okay, guys, so that's it for today for me. Still, we don't have correlation, but I saw the market, I saw the volume, I get the candle, and I hit the trigger. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching.